friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters holding a heart. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the center, splitting our paper in half with the nose. And we're going to draw on a small arch line, curving that across. Now coming underneath for the smile, just arching that in the opposite direction, making that bigger. Let's draw on her eyes, stepping up on a diagonal on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big circle. Lining this up at the exact same height on the right-hand side and replicating that. Now on the inside corner here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that highlight, replicating that on the right. Let's come down on a diagonal, replicating that again, making the second one smaller. And then we're just going to color in her eyes black. Now let's add in some eyelashes. On the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this out, pulling this back in, dropping down, replicating that. And then we're just going to color that in black. We'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to step over, curving this out, pulling that back in. And then again, moving through, curving that out, pulling that in, and coloring that in black. Let's move up for the eyebrow. So on the left-hand side, curving this in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out that inside edge now. So we're going to round this out, curving this over, pulling this back down on the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now in the middle for the bangs, we're just going to draw in a slight curved line right in the center. On both sides, we're just going to curve this line through towards the top. Now from here on the left-hand side, curving this line over, replicating that on the right. Let's draw on the bang. So stepping up from this line, we're going to curve this down, past our eye, through towards the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing, lining this up as best as we can at the same height on the right-hand side. Now from here in the middle, let's close off the top of the head. So right in the center, we're going to curve this around, down, and in towards that point on the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side, pulling this around and back in. Let's close off her chin. So on the left-hand side, curving this over, taking that back up on the right. Now for the ears, half circle on both sides. Moving up, adding in a small detail, curving that across. And then coming underneath, just drawing in another half circle. Now for the buns on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. Do the exact same thing on the right. Moving in towards the middle, curving this around and through. And then one more time, just curving this around and back in. Now let's draw in the body. So right in the center here, we're just going to draw in a circle for the pendant. And then on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. Let's move down. On the left hand side for the top, we're just going to curve this over. And then we're going to draw in a small line coming down. Now, from here, we're going to step down slightly, curving this back across again. And now we'll move in towards the middle for the heart. So right in the center here, we're going to curve this line up, connecting that to that line. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. From the center, we're going to step up, drawing in two straight lines. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then down towards the top of the heart. Let's continue to close off the heart here. So from that edge here, we're just going to round that out, pulling that down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the fingers. So stepping in, we're going to curve this line across on both sides, rounding that out. Coming down in the middle, replicating that, curving that across. And then moving underneath, arching this back around and through towards the top, finishing off the hand. Now let's draw on the arms. So we're going to round out the shoulder here on the top, and we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then now from here, let's round out that shoulder, curving that in and through towards our hand. Let's draw on the small little bracelet here. So we're just going to curve this in. Do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Moving up on the left and right-hand side, we're just going to curve this line up for the straps there. And then moving over, just 2 diagonal lines coming in. Let's continue to close off the heart. So underneath, we're going to curve this line around and through towards the middle. And then on the opposite side, just pulling that up. Now let's draw in the leg. So from the middle here, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out, ending that at the same height. We'll step across, lining that up at the same height again, drawing in a straight line for the side of the leg. And now let's round out the bottom of the pant here. So we're just going to curve this over, tucking that back in. Let's add in the pockets here. So we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines. And then we're just going to add in some more detail as we move down. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. For the foot, we're going to curve this out, pulling that back in. And then we're going to draw in another straight line coming up to finish off the leg. Now let's add in our details. So we're going to close off the sole of the shoe here, pulling this over. Now coming down, we're going to curve this across. And then let's step up one more time, arching that in. Let's come up. We're going to draw in another curved line, stepping over. Now for the toes, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines, arching that in. And that is it. That's how you draw Zoey holding a heart from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.